Welcome to Management 3788 Business Applications Development. My name is Ken Walsh and I'll be your instructor. The purpose of this course is to learn the languages behind the web. So we're going to learn the languages of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the three main languages that work together to make a web page. Now this topic is fairly technical, so it's a highly technical topic, but we are going to take it right from the beginning. So don't worry if you don't have experience. The first assignments will be introductory to get you started. But make sure you keep up with the assignments because each assignment builds on the others. Another unusual feature of this course is that instead of a textbook, we'll be using online notes. So make sure you take a look at what the assignment is for reading those online notes. In some cases, those online notes will have links to professional reference sites. We're using those to help you get experience to using the websites that professionals would use as reference material rather than a textbook. So some of the things to be careful of. This is an online course and it's kind of technical and each assignment builds on the previous one. Make sure you don't fall behind. You will really need to be proactive in sending the emails, reading the discussion board, and seeing what's going on in the course. Another thing you'll find is, and we'll talk about it in a video in the beginning of the course, is editing documents in a computer language. So if you're new to this topic, when you edit a document for a computer, you do it a lot different than you do like an essay or a long written assignment for another class. If you're writing a long written assignment for a business or an English class, you might just dive right in and start brainstorming, knowing you can edit your work and bring it together, reorganize it later. When you're programming a programming language for a computer, you don't want to do that because you have to be very specific about the syntax, and if you begin by brainstorming, then you'll have too many errors, too many incorrect mistakes. Instead, you want to type very incrementally. Just type in a little bit into the editor and test it on the computer and make sure it works. Okay? So I think this is going to be a fun semester. The syllabus is on the web with links in Moodle. The homework assignments build upon each other and are turned in Moodle. And just make sure you be real proactive because it's technical, detailed, and it's an online course. But don't worry if you haven't seen this before. The first assignments will be kind of warm-up assignments to get you used to what needs to be done. Thanks, and have a great semester.